In this video, I'm gonna trying to make the Rubik's brand as good as possible. First of all, I'm going to assemble the Rubik's brand. Okay. And the last one. Okay, this is the So yeah, I have assembled it, and the Rubik's brand was, you can see the ball core design. Okay, I'm hope you can see the ball core design of the Rubik's brand. So I hope you guys can see the core. This is the core, and these are the other pieces of the cube, and now I'm gonna wash them. Okay, wash means I need to clean them. You can see there is really dust on the pieces, and cleaning all of them one by one. I hope you guys can see what amount of dust this Rubik's brand just created. See what, so much dust. So then I'm cleaning all of this. Okay, now I'm going to do the assemble. Yeah, this is really hard to do with the Rubik's brand, and it's actually hard to find the pieces. Okay, this is one. Okay, then I need another. Okay, now let's see how it feels. Okay, kind of blocky, uncontrollable, super duper slow. Okay, kind of free, but not that way I like. Kind of still locking up in places, or didn't go well. So now we need to use some of this loop. Suddenly I do not use the Moilo P2 because I do not want to speed up my cubes, and in 2x2 now I am recently not using this anymore, but anyhow just add some drops of this. So So you can see the design of the corners, kind of a small area and a really small and big thing, white thing attached with it, and the edge design is very bad. I don't know what design they have made, because it is black it is hard to see. Yeah, I think you can see it. The design is not good, so it just kind of, you can see it now. So this cannot just like this, so this is really hard to assemble. So we can see which places are connecting each other, so I will give some in this side and some in this. Just take the loop and give a drop of it. I know this is the not way of giving water based loops, but okay, we can see the original color of the loop. This is white. Okay, now I'm giving some of in this area. Okay. Okay, that's great. And now I'm just okay. I think this will work great. Okay, I think I just overlooped a lot, so okay, this is why I don't like water based loops that much. Okay, but if you wanna buy any water based loops, okay, so if you want to buy a water based loop, so don't buy this, because this is not staying a lot. So now just break it down, because this side is really fast and really smooth. Okay, just break it down a little bit. Okay. Okay, this feels good, but this is very loud. I don't think you guys can listen because I'm using mic, but this is near the mic. Yeah, this cube is very loud, and yeah, I'm liking it. Let's do a quick solve. Okay, I do not know. Okay, this is awesome. Okay, this is feeling unstable now to me, and before okay, this is really fast. Okay, so if this video gets 5 likes, I'll do an average of 5 with this cube, and I'm really excited about it. So yeah, this cube is now really good. Let's see corner cutting. Whoa, what? Okay, now okay, corner cutting actually improved a little bit. Let's see in this side. Whoa. Okay, the loop did a great job. Okay, great job. So make sure you like the video, so I do the average of 5 with this cube, and I think I will get a sub 20 with this. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any questions about this video, and if the quality is not good, write your thoughts on this video. If you don't like it, hit that unlike button, and thanks for watching.